Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya Nicole here, and just go ahead and get straight into it. Today I'm going to be doing a video on ISEE hair. I did purchase a new wig from them, and I'm just going to show you guys how I customize my wigs before I install them. And so as you can see, I open up the box here, and this is how it looks when you get your wig. I'm still trying to wait on me moving. And I did get a deep curly 24-inch lace front wig, and it is a 13x4. And I'm gonna leave the specs down below in the description box. Then also you get some really pretty 3D mink lashes. The lashes are always really pretty. Side note, like baby bomb. So you do get that. And then also they do give you an elastic band as well. I'm gonna use this not to make the wig glueless, but I'm gonna use it to like tie down my wig, like, you know, melt the lace. So I'm gonna try that method. I'm gonna try it. And then also you do get a care card. Then it has my girl Glow Princess on the front, and then, you know, just their socials on the back, how you can reach them, and also you get 2 wig caps. And so starting off, I'm just, you know, taking out the protective stuff on the wig, and I'm just, you know, gonna run my fingers through it, you know, see how it looks. And y'all, like, look at those curls. Like, look at that. And when I tell you, this hair was super soft, like it felt like just like a cloud, just like a pillow. And if you're watching right now, there was no tangles. I wasn't getting any snags or anything. Fingers were just running right through it. So I pretty much, like, I'll say this, like every time I've ordered from ISEE hair, their hair is always really, really good. Like there's never been a time where I'm like, oh, like, like it wasn't good, but it's been bomb. And also it is pre-plucked a little bit, but I did some more plucking later on. And this is like the inside construction, and it is a 13x4 lace again. And then also it does have 4 clips for you to attach the wig. And then also I did go ahead and wash my wig before I customized it, and the curls wet are even prettier, honestly. I do really love their deep curly texture. It's just super, super pretty. And it is still kind of damp. I'm just, you know, letting you guys, well, once it focuses, there we go. You guys can see all those pretty waves. Yes. And also I did want to let you guys know too that the hair is nice and thick, and the ends of their hair always look really good. Alright, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and be bleaching my knots. So I do use the Clairol, the BW2, and I usually get all my bleaching products from my local beauty supply store. And I do use the Clairol developer, the 40 volume. And I had to redo this voiceover so many times because I kept forgetting the word developer, like I didn't know what that was. So I do use that. And then also I use the Shimmer Lights, the shampoo and conditioner, you know, of course, to tone down the brassiness once I finish bleaching and everything. And you know it was late when I filmed this video because I literally was about to pour bleach into nothing. I didn't have my bowl. I don't know what I was doing. I thought I was doing something. And then later I found my bowl, as you can see. So I got that, and then also my brush. And honestly, I don't really have a method to bleaching. I just use 2 scoops, and then I just eyeballed the amount of developer. But honestly, my biggest tip that I learned from other girls on YouTube, you want to make sure the consistency of the bleach is like icing or toothpaste. And the reason for that is you want to be able to spread it over the lace. You don't want it to seep through the lace. That's the main thing. So spread, not seep. And mainly, you know, if it does seep through, that causes more issues because you can't over bleach the knots, and then you'll have orange or blonde roots, and then you got to go back in, re-dye it, all that stuff. So it's best to just try to do it as good as possible, as good as you can get it. And then also, like you guys see now, the way the bleach is coming out, I'm able to just, you know, spread it across the bowl. It's still, you know, tangible. Like I can, you know, easily move it. You know, it's not too thick to where it's like, okay, I can't spread this, but it's the right amount. And I actually did add just a little bit more bleach. And also I did do like a tester, and that's the perfect consistency. It's not sliding or dripping. Alrighty, and now that we have our bleach together, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the lace. And first, I always make sure to comb back any loose hairs, make sure they're out the way, and then I just go ahead and start spreading it on. Okay, and so now since we're done spreading the bleach out, this is how it looks usually. And I'm kind of messy when I be bleaching. And I did take off that bleach residue that was in the hair, so it didn't get over bleached. I'm just gonna wash it out and then we'll be right back. Alright, and this is how we're coming, y'all. And honestly, not gonna lie, I bleached it, but I didn't leave it on too long, so I still have some knots there, or kind of most of them. But it's okay, it's all good. I'll fix it in part 2, but you guys should tune in too. And then right now, I'm just showing you guys, I did go ahead and off camera, I plucked one side of the wig, and I think it looks pretty good so far. I did kind of get rid of that line of demarcation. It was already pre-plucked, but you know, behind that pre-plucking, it was thick. So I did do a little something to it. But also, after I do show you guys me plucking the other side, I'm gonna go off camera again and pluck it some more so it looks real good. Alrighty, and so on to plucking the other side. So first off, I just go ahead and make sure I comb back all the hair, and I do spray it with water a little bit just to get it damp so I can see, you know, everything, and also so it'll slick back better. That way I can just clearly plug good without having a whole bunch of extra hair in the way. Okay, and then after doing all that, I just go ahead and I start to slick back one side of the wig. That way, you know, I have all the hairs in one spot. And please ignore my face coming up. I'm looking rough. I'm in a bonnet and everything. Girl. It was like, I think 4 in the morning, so I was tired. But yeah, so I just go ahead and do that. And then right now, I'm going to go ahead and take out the pre-pluck section because I don't want to pluck that anymore. I don't want to make it bald. So I'm just going to part that out and then pluck behind it. And also I wanted to just let you guys know as well, and you can see it right now, when I pluck my wigs, I don't stay in one spot plucking. I just go ahead and move back and forth. That way I'm not over plucking one spot and making it bald, because no one has time for that. We're trying to be cute, not bald out here. Alrighty, and so after doing my plucking, I'm just combing it back a little bit just to show you guys. I'm pretty sure you can see it. It's not like I didn't pluck a lot, because I have a bad habit of over plucking sometimes, so I had to calm myself. But it looked really good. I combed back the pre-plucked part, and it looked pretty good to me. And you know, like I said, I did go off camera and pluck just a little bit more, you know, just to make it perfect a little bit, or try to be perfect. And then I'm just, you know, spraying some more water, laying it down a little bit more, seeing how it looks. And this was me just showing a close-up. This is before I went off camera again, but I was just, you know, showing you guys what I did, how it was looking. And it looked pretty good still, but I just felt like it could use a little bit more plucking. And so this is the very end now. So this is after I did some more plucking, and I did also pluck the middle part a little bit, just a tiny bit. And y'all, I need you guys to make sure you stay tuned and tap in for part 2, because I'm very excited to install this wig. And right now, the frontal's looking real good to me. The edges, it's the plucking for me. It's the edges for me, honestly. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it for now. But you guys will see me, you know, installing it and everything in the next part, and I'm gonna be posting that soon here, hopefully in the next few days, maybe a week. I need to go ahead and stop procrastinating and just edit. But don't forget to follow me on my socials, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and then stay tuned for more content coming up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.